Okay, just got my key card and the map of UPEI. Moving into Blanchard, one suitcase, a 3 entire week and a backpack. This video was recorded last year. I will give you a tour of the apartment, and I'll also be showing you a little bit of working at a summer camp and just moving on campus in general. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Trudy Ann, and I do videos on life in Canada, studying Canada, and personal development. I have a lot of videos on my channel, so definitely check out other videos. Okay, so I just walk in, and so this is the closet area. Place my suitcase here for now. On your right, you have a dining table here, socket pulled out. This is the door. This was my key card. And then we move over to the kitchen to the far right. We got cupboards. Nice, a fridge. We got here a stove that I have no idea how to use, but let's see. Then we have pots and pans. We have plates and stuff. That's a pipe, I believe. What's in this one? Oh, this one is empty. All empty shelves, but really good storage space, so that's great. So the next person will be coming soon. I'm not sure at what time, but I'm currently here by myself, so let's do a little tour. I just got in. There's no elevator, so I had to walk up the stairs to get here. Just lots of storage though. Yeah, this is really good storage. We got a toaster, got utensils here, more storage up here. Yeah, this is really good. We got pipe. You have a really small sink and the bigger one here. We have a bin. More storage under here as well. Nice. And then more storage again. Here got more, lots of storage. And then when I go further, so this is the kitchen area, and then when I go this way, we have, oh, do you see that dust? Oh my gosh, that's the wind outside. It's extremely windy outside. You got lots of plug there. They have like the microwave all the way around here, the countertops, really nice little chairs. I haven't sat on it, so not sure how they feel, but looking good so far. We got empty shelves here, store books and things like that. This is outdoors. It's like carpentry going on outside. Yeah, so we got the chairs here. This is the heating unit. I realized there was no fan inside of my room, so I'll be baking. We have TV here, a telephone, nice microwave. And then we walk out and we go to the dining area, the kitchen to your left, really nice. Then you turn to your right, and then you have, this is the first room, and both rooms actually looks identical. Actually, you got closet space there, chest of drawers, more closet space. So after that, you go through here. There's a light switch here. I'm not sure what it, oh, it turns on a light right above, right here. And then we have in here, this is like where the control unit is for everything. This is nice. And it's just an empty room that can add more things, like my suitcase could go in there. So this is pretty nice. Yeah. Then we go over here straight to my complete left, and then we have the bathroom. Not the best, as you can see, not the best, but we're rolling with it. Shower. Let's see if this works. Okay. Okay. The shower works. Okay, cool. We got a shower curtain here. We got me in the mirror. Yeah, that's me. I have a light above my head. This is the I'll let you know when I remember what this is called. Yeah. Have my shirt here, my staff shirt UPI. Soap here. What are these? Yep, soap and more soap. Right there. Alright, we got the in there to clean the toilet. We got the toilet there. Okay, and then we have towels here. Definitely remind me that this is definitely not a hotel. There's a rack right there, so that's really good. So immediately after the bathroom we have my room. In it we have a rack there, and this is the lock on it. Hopefully it locks. The light switch, it turns on the light. Okay, let there be light. Maybe we keep that on for now. Alright, we got light switch. This to hold the door. So my suitcase and my bag, that's all I have for the week. And then over here we have this right here, shelf and area for clothes. Unfortunately I didn't bring hangers, so that's not good. And this is another area for racks, and then you have here for books and so on. Nice desk. It has a spot for the keyboard here. Yep, empty drawer. Another one here. So we have actually 2 beds in here. So I guess normally there would be roommates, I guess, like 2 persons. And then let's see in these drawers. Yep, really big, nice drawers. Yeah, so we got the bed here. They're building more resident apartments for more people as well. Because I was a staff there, I can go to the canteen and collect lunch for free. That was a part of the employment that I had. However, when I went for the first time, I got the time mixed up and I did not get any food. Due to the fact that I went so late, I had to go purchase my own meal. But the good thing is I got something. So instead what happened is that they said that as a staff, they actually cover the lunch amount for you. So they actually covered the lunch for you, and it's like meal subsidy or something like that. Yeah, so it's for any meal that is under $12. So this is my little bag. I'm literally sweating. So I got this. My budget was $12 that I would be reimbursed for. So let me just show you what I got. So this is me shopping on a budget. So my total came to $10.31. And this is what I purchased. So I purchased orange juice. This was like $2. I buy it a lot. They have also apple juice in this, so it's very inexpensive. So I usually purchase this brand. So you can make a note of it if you plan on coming to Canada soon and want something cheap. Buy this as juice. And then I purchased these two things. I actually didn't know I would get this much from what I bought. So it says home meal replacement, chicken and whatnot. Let me show you what it looks like the serving portion. I honestly did not know it would be this much, but I was shocked when she gave me this much in potato wedges and then two nice chicken breasts. If it's not chicken breast, don't judge me, like I didn't do foods, okay? This is all I got. Total of $10.31. So I'm doing good. So I should be reimbursed, honestly. If I'm not reimbursed, I don't mind. That's fine. It's just food and I would have eaten whether I was here or not. So the room that I initially moved into, that room was actually not the room that I'm supposed to be in. So because of that, I have to relocate. This is me packing to fit all of this in the one suitcase that I brought. This was the suitcase I brought. Over here, all of this needs to fit in the suitcase. This is like a science experiment. I'm kidding. That's actually a COVID test. Have you guys done the rapid test before? That's what it looks like. And this is like the tube and stuff. And the instructions is here somewhere. Oh, I packed the instruction in this. Or yeah, here it is. So this was the instructions if you've never done the rapid test before. This is what the place looks like after living here for 4 days. I got bread that I haven't even eaten, but yeah, I got my little book here. Enjoy the little things. Here I have my daily planner where I just have my schedule. I'm just gonna show you an empty page because you don't want to see my handwriting. So this is like September 3rd, just a random page, and this is what the planner looks like. So it has like hours, which I actually don't use. I just write a to-do list and work from the to-do list. I don't actually use the times. And then here I have just a regular notebook. The question is like, what the heck is this doing here? Well, it was in the kitchen, but because I'm packing up everything, so this is everything that needs to fit back into my suitcase. Oh my gosh, look at me. I just got, okay, hold up. This is starting to look ridiculous. Hold on for a bit. Okay, so I moved downstairs and this is actually one bed. In the last one it was two beds and it was a lot bigger. So this one is a little bit smaller, but I'm gonna just do a tour and let you see what the place looks like. So why I was sweating like that is because we're actually having a heat wave. So currently it's like 29 degrees and the humidity is very high. So we're more at risk at like heat exhaustion and like heat strokes, but it's all about staying hydrated in times like these. So you have extreme cold here where it's negative 20, and then you have extreme hot where it's positive 30. So that is why I'm sweating like this just from coming down the stairs, and then I was lifting extremely heavy suitcase, probably 60 pounds suitcase down the stairs. That explains all of that. But let's get into this tour. So have fun watching this apartment tour where I just show you what the apartment looks like. Let's go. This is the entrance as you come in. Then you have the closet area. Lots of storage space here. I'm really enjoying the storage space. This is what the ground looks like. So it's fully tiled, the ground. And then to my left, immediate left, it's the dining table is right there. There's an internet port and also a telephone area. You also have the electronic socket. Then over here you have the cupboard area. So lots of storage space. That's my favorite part of these apartments. More storage up here. And then you have the fridge. And then over here you have more storage again. Lots of storage area. You have cups here and tea. Here you have the stove. I actually tried the stove upstairs and it's pretty easy to understand, so it's fine. Here you have a toaster and more storage space. A socket is in there. Storage here, so you have a little pot and dishes. I don't know how I would ever reach up there, but there's storage there. More storage. Lots of storage, so that's my favorite thing. Oh, they have utensils. That's nice. So we have lots of countertop to cook. Then you have the garbage area there. They have a light for the kitchen in here. Yeah, and you got the stove, storage, the fridge. Let's see if they leave some celebratory stuff for me. Absolutely not. Fridge is 100% empty. Here, empty fridge to add whatever. And then after the kitchen, so let's say we are just entering, so this is what it looks like. And then you walk on into the living room. There's a microwave here. The microwave upstairs wasn't working, so it turned on and everything, but it just doesn't work. Telephone is here, the same TV as upstairs. Then you have here bookshelf, and then hold on, I'll show you the view shortly. Here towards the back of the countertop you have this little shelf here. Then you have the living area with the chairs and table and all these wonderful things. And then for my view, if you can see, it's the parking lot that I see out there, and like grass right here. This is actually downstairs in general compared to the other room was upstairs, and it was a bit more of a journey. All right, so when you walk here, where are we? We're at the first bedroom. So in the first bedroom we have just this table. It looks like the one upstairs, except it's blue. The one upstairs was green. And then you have the shelf and also a closet area. Let me show you the ground area there. Put your shoes, and there's a light under the desk, so that's good. That's actually a light I keep on. And then we have here, what's this? Let me see. Yeah, I have no idea what that is, but that's up there. Here we have just chest of drawers. Let me show you how big it is. So this is what it looks like. And then you have only one bed, and then over there is empty. The last apartment I was in, it was actually a 2-bedroom. So this is the first room, and then this is the view. So it's all just cars there, but that's for the first room. As I said, I really like the room that is closest to the washroom, and the washroom is there. Let me just show you in here. This room, where's the light for in here? I'm not sure, but it just has the electronic stuff, and this is a lot of storage area, like a storeroom built in. Really loving that. Like, that's very considerate when it comes to storage. And in the hallway they have lights. You can just see all the